Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix iRobot Roomba 500 charging error 3. So guys, this means that Roomba can't detect the battery, usually due to dirty contacts, poor battery connection, or a failed battery. So first thing is remove the Roomba from the charging base and flip it over and remove the battery cover, usually with two screws, and take out the battery and wait for 30 seconds and then reinstall it, and you should be able to fix it. If it doesn't work, just simply clean the battery contacts. You could use a dry cloth or alcohol wipe to clean the metal contacts on the battery and inside the compartment, and this should fix the issue. Now, another one is ensure the battery is seated firmly and the contacts aligned correctly, and make sure no springs or tabs are bent or missing. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.